Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 Murakami. This is the multicolor white. Meron siyang provided dust bag. Dust bag to ng Kipal. Then, andito yung care booklet niya. Tapos, yung key belt tsaka yung keys. Ayan. Functional yung kanyang mga locks. Harap. Then, the side. Then, likod. And then, the other side. Okay. Ayan. Tapos yung handle niya, may mga spots na darker na. But still very nice. Ayan. And yung bottom. Tapos yung corners, meron siyang hairline, signs of use. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, and corner 4. Yan. Pwede namang i-polish yung kanyang mga hardware. Tapos yung loob, malinis yung loob, and very readable pa ang kanyang date code. Okay, so for when worn, yan. This is the Speedy 30 multicolor white Murakami. Yan. Ang ganda pa niya, oh. There. So for when worn, hawakan lang siya. Doctor's bag. Yan. Very beautiful for only 45,000 pesos. May entropy na rin.